So cool. Jetzt kam ein weiterer T3 zu uns, nämlich so ein orangener. Und ich habe mal gefragt, ob wir da einfach so eine kleine Roomtour haben können. Und er meinte, ja, ganz gerne. Und den schauen wir uns jetzt an. So. Das ist so cool. Die haben gerade erzählt, dass sie 2 Monate mit dem Gas auskommen. Die haben da unten eben so eine... Ja.
Here is the hot water also.
Ah, very nice.
From the engine.
Voll cool.
It's heated from the engine.
Wow. So you have to drive and
yes. So
yeah.
10 minutes, then it's 80 degrees.
Wow,
So
that's
you have
cool.
to mix it with other water.
Yeah. Wow,
But it's
that's
good
nice.
for shower and washing.
Yeah, perfect. Cool. And this is so cute. You have a small.
Yes. Yeah.
Cool. And a desk.
Yeah.
Fresh air. We hold that.
Oh, perfect. With 2.
Tools.
Yeah, but it's always a bit a mess to come to your engine.
And here is our furniture.
You throw that.
Yeah. Wow, that's perfect.
Yes. Millimeter.
Yeah, it's millimeter. Yeah, right. Oh, cool. So nice. Und das Coole ist, sie kann tatsächlich drin stehen. Sie ist 1,53 und genau, das passt so für sie. Das ist mega cool. Und sie haben auch eine dicke Matratze. Das finde ich auch ganz angenehm. Und ansonsten viel Stauraum hier und auch seitlich. Da befindet sich der Kleiderschrank und alles mit Liebe gemacht, mit kleinen Bildern und Blumen. Ah, cool, and you have you can charge.
And here, this is the lock for the.
Yeah. If you, yeah, cool, perfect.
Yeah. So, and here is the fridge.
Wow, so big.
Yeah.
Cool. We have not that big, I think.
Wow, maybe it's like that.
Perfect. Yes.
Here, put some extra isolation also on it.
Yeah.
And here is the toilet.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah. We have also a small.
Yeah.
That's so
and one
cool
little box here. It's enough for 5 pair of shoes.
Cool! Wow! Very nice.
So I have 3 and he has 2.
Yeah. Cool.
So you bought the door?
No, they have painted this and the roof and all floor. I think it's
Want to see how we make with the table?
Oh, yes, of course. It would be interesting.
Under here also.
slow. It's
Under
slow.
here. I mean, that's the engine and my extra chair.
And this is not original. This is from GL.
Yeah, we had the same before, and we also had this chrome.
This is good, you know, you can turn it around.
Yes,
And then you
Yes,
have
yes,
space even if we are two here.
yeah,
We can be here, both of us.
Yes.
Very hard to.
And then we, in the night or when we want to rest,
You
we
have-
do like this.
Have you changed from on this car?
Originally it was like this.
So,
perfect.
and then this leg we put on the,
Yeah,
Rust and
No, it was
and this is also,
damaged a bit.
it's easy.
wow. Cool.
So,
Very clever.
and then one extra here. So I turn this chair. And
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I'm the video maker.
Yes.
So I need extra place.
Cool. Cool. And you have
Yeah, converter.
that's that's
Yes.
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Very nice. And also you can put
When I bought
newspaper inside in
Yes,
this.
yes. You know, it's no, I don't. We have counted, and it's over 40 boxes.
Wow. 40 boxes.
Yeah, I think it was.
Wow.
and it was rusty, and here you see it was.
yes.
Yeah, and then I decided to go for them because they are packed and it's
No.
maybe.
Cool. And you have solar
I
and
like this more.
the Arving.
You have this?
No, we have. You can see we have a top on it.
Aha. This is from GL.
Oh, this is nice. It's like
Oh.
leather,
Yeah.
plastic, but
Yes.
it looks like leather.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have the original radio.
No, no,
Is it?
no.
But
no,
it looks like it.
Nah, it's
Okay.
it's an old
And
one.
this is, you changed this, or it was in that condition? In that good condition? This.
It's the original. It's original. Huh?
Yeah.
In my other, I have only. I have with middle. With third.
Yeah,
Also,
because-
I have the coupler on the other car.
Yeah, I
This
see
is
him.
original.
Yeah. On GL, it's original.
That's cool. And you like this Syncro more than the other?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
But
But I mean, when we were driving in Sweden, I mean, Sweden, you never know about the weather. And then we always have to think about if it's raining or not raining when we should have our coffee, because we have opened this. So for sure we had a roof, but the wind, so we have to think where to go, I mean, how to stay. So in this case, this is the best.
The best, yeah.
Yeah. But for sure the other one, but that's, for me, it's a lot of feelings because we draw to Africa with that one.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of emotions.
With the other car.
Yes.
Not with that car.
No, this is it's only 2 years now.
So you have more than one T3 or?
do you know 3-star?
Yeah, they have also one.
You have one?
No, I asked you. You have
Yeah.
one?
I
Yeah.
have had 3.
3-star. Okay.
Crazy.
And you sold them
Yeah. To USA.
to USA, but you get a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And now you have 2 Syncros. And more?
No, only 2.
Only 2. Yeah.
Only.
3 years ago, I have one more one.
The same color.
Syncro.
Uh-huh.
But it's not 16, it's 14.
16,
Oh.
okay.
And I had Caravelle G with the AC.
Okay. Also in the back with the AC from.
AC is
Somewhere,
goes
yeah.
to the front.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, but you cannot. It takes so much.
So much space. Yeah.
And AC. I will not have AC.
Yeah.
We do in Africa, it's no problem. You open the window, so
Yeah, that's okay.
no problem.
And you have a YouTube account, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And what's the
She
name?
have.
What's the name of the account?
I think it's hard for us to
Yeah,
pronounce.
if you want to have, it's called Julle Mandarin. I mean, it's in Swedish,
Yes.
but we have subtitle in English also.
You do
Yes.
it by yourself or it's automatically?
I use it automatically, but it's not good, so I always change it and put dots and question marks, and
okay.
sometimes the words are not. It's totally wrong.
Dann vielen Dank. Thank you for showing your car. It's very nice. Wir werden den YouTube-Account verlinken und dann könnt ihr euch gerne das anschauen. Vielen Dank für die Roomtour und auf Wiedersehen.